I realized as I was putting this bumper back together, this hood that I painted, it butts up nicely along this piece of trim, which I didn't spray, but I'm really glad that I took the time to make sure that color was good, because that whole piece extends the whole edge of the hood, and I got color all along the front edge of the hood. But looks great, so I'm happy with that. So I've got this little polisher sander unit. This is a 2-inch pad, but I have a 3 and a 1-inch pad. Anybody know where a guy can get some sort of hole punch so I can cut 1, 2, and 3-inch sections out of sandpaper? You can buy some pieces in 3-inch, but I don't think you can easily buy sandpaper that's in 1 or 2-inch. So anybody knows if I can get a tool for that, that'd be great. Feels like we've just been using up our gunny wheels like crazy lately. Got another one thrown on this Beamer. Got a little bit of repair, some suspension work to do. Blend it, send it, I think, and we're done. Yeah, I think the Tintable bed liner, this kit, it might be a little old. That's not liquid. That's kind of whatever consistency. Got some new Tintable. This is the Shake and Shoot from Dominion Shear Seal. Got it from Ideal. So the cool thing about this, you have part A and part B. You just got to fill up part B up to this line right here. You shake it and you shoot it, and you can, this is really easy for anybody that wants to do it themselves because there's hardly any cleanup. And comes with a new gun. Every time you get a kit, there's 4 of these and 1 hardener in a whole kit, and it does come in black. It's pretty good stuff. Pick it up at Ideal. Highly recommend this product. I find that it works really well for a nice texture, and it is very durable. I did my dad's tailgate and he's dragged sleds over it, and it's still holding up really well years since we've done it. There's 2 types of painters: those that get dirt and dust nibs, and liars. I'm gonna tune up this hood a little bit, make it look like $1 million, wash it, send it. Starting to bring a shine back. Got 8,000 grit on here. And at this point, it's just scratch refinement from starting at 2, 3, 5, and now 8. And once we get it all done, 8,000, even 5,000 grit, it's fine to polish. 3,000 even if you're using a good polish. We hit it with Sonex Ultimate Cut, and we got the blue Rupes pads, and then you do the, why don't I just show you? This perfect finish with the yellow ones. This stuff right here, this stuff cuts like crazy good. You don't need a lot. Like a dime size of this will easily do half the hood, easily. So use that. There's the blue pads. Here's an old one. Yeah, that's what I'm using. There's some 3,000.